to have with the Tenkara rod. Some of the advantage to this though right now is that I'm using a really short rod, so I can keep the fly really close. If I just let it sink, they'll come and check it out and nibble on it. That guy took it, just as I was saying that they weren't seemingly all that interested. Come on, let go of it. I gotta help you out here. Yeah, he took it better than most. That guy took it hard. There he goes. Saw him come up for it as I was pulling it up. Yeah, little dude. 4 inches. Not giant. There we go. A little bit bigger one. 5 inches. Ow.